Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I'm going to do a video showing how I clean my headlights. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm doing a headlight restoration on some Sienna headlights. I'm using this brand right here, EZ1, I believe it's called, lens guard. It comes in a package like this. We're going to see how good it does on some headlights. These are pretty yellow, so let's see how they do. Okay, the pack comes with kind of a lot. These are the instructions. This is like a service guarantee. I'm not going to focus too much on all the ingredients and stuff. I'm mostly looking for just like how good it does, performance. When you get this, you'll have instructions to go by. But basically, it says to rub this green stuff on. We're going to rub it on like this. That'll take away a lot of the surface stuff. And then we're going to wipe it clean, and then we will apply this stuff in here to make it clear and everything. So let's see how it goes. And here's the instructions. They're worded, I mean, the fonts and stuff, it's kind of weird how they made it, but the instructions are right here. Let's go ahead and put this on as the first step. Okay, so I got the green stuff on. I'm going to use my pad to kind of scrub it all up here. Do this, get it all covered up. These are kind of bigger headlights, so got to make sure I have enough for both sides. Okay, so I got a lot of cleaner on it. Let's open up this alcohol wipe and wipe both the headlights clean. Okay. Alright, with these, you want to make sure you get it real clean. If you still have some streaks from the cleaner, maybe wipe it off with like something else, like a baby wiper or a paper towel or something. You gotta make sure it's real clean for the next chemical. Okay, so I got it all clean and dry. The last step is to open this one. This is called the lens guard. We're gonna empty this little bottle into here. Oh man, I spilled some. Alright, let's get it all in there. And I recommend doing this step with both headlights ready to go. And I recommend wearing a glove as well. So we're going to use this, we're going to dip it in here, and then we're going to take it and slowly go across the lens like this. You'll start from the corner and do kind of go in rows, kind of like mowing the lawn. I recommend you try your best not to overlap at all. Alright guys, so yeah, I already did mine, but basically you put this in here to absorb all the liquid, and you go, like I said, strokes down, go down, try not to double lap it. This will make the headlight actually clear, and this is the protectant on it as well. So I'll put a comparison of the ones I have. It makes them pretty clear. You might have some internal yellowing or problems going on, so you might not get great results. But really, the test for this product is to see how long it can go without starting to yellow up. So I'll put in the description or the comments if it lasts a while.